discussed, completed our exercise 2.4. So today in this video, we will start with the rounding of numbers and exercise 2.5. So before starting, I request everyone to open their term book, page number 102. Right. So I think everyone are ready. Let's start. What is rounding of numbers? See, in day-to-day life, many things happens. Like suppose some people have gathered. We won't say the exact number. We say a rounded off numbers. Supposing like 1460 people have attended the music concert. So, but how many? 1460 people have attended the music concert. But we won't say like 1460 or 65 people have attended. We say a rounded value, right? Maybe it is 1470, or we may say it as 1500. Okay, so this is what the rounded value. Rounded value. We never say, sometimes we never say the exact value. Let us see, they have given a small situation here in page number 102. In a music concert, there were 1575 audience in the auditorium. We say that there are about 1600 audience in the music concert. Now they are telling that 1575 students have attended the music concert. But they won't tell that 1575, they will say that like around 1600. We say around 1600 people have gathered or participated in music concert. Okay. Now, if there are 1984 students in your school, you may say that there are approximately 2000 students in your school. Supposing if I ask you how many students are there in your school, you may don't know what is the exact number, right? What you say, supposing the students are around 19,084. So what do you say, as you don't know the figure, exact figure, you might say maybe there are 2000 students. So is this a correct number? No, this is just an estimated, approximated number. This is not the exact number. This is a rounded number, rounded figure. That is what we call rounding off. Now in rounding off, we will see what is 10, 100 and 1000. See the first one, rounding off to the nearest tens. Okay. Just we have left, that we will see first. Rounding off to a lower number is called rounding down, and the rounding to a higher number is called rounding up. Supposing in a number, if you are rounding to the 80, 81, 82, 83, 85. Now if I have told that I want to, now 81 people have gathered in the music concert. So what we will do, I may say that 80 people have gathered in the music concert. This is my rounded value. If you are going on the left side, we say rounded down. What we say? Rounded down. If you are rounding on the right side, on the bigger side, then we say rounded up. Higher side, rounded up. Rounded down means going on the left side, that is lower value. Rounding up means we are rounding here to a higher value. Okay. Now in this we have rounding off nearest to 10. Rounding off nearest to 10. To round off there are two methods. One of the method is writing the digits 90 to 100 and then rounding like 91, so on. Okay. This is one of the method of rounding, and one more method is method number 2. Method number 2, where now supposing they have given 87. Now we want to round off 87. Now this is rounding off nearest to 10 something. Whenever you are rounding off nearest to tens, you will check the value at one's position. Whenever you are rounding nearest to 10, you will check which position? One's position. This is one's now. We will check one's position. Now what we will do now? At one's position it is 7. We will compare this 7 with the 5. We are comparing 7 with 5. Whatever the digit it might be here in one's place, we will compare it with 5. Now 7 is greater than 5 or less than 5? It is greater than 5. As this is greater than 5, we will round up. So after 80, now between 80 to 90. Okay, our value is somewhere near 87. We said greater than 5. Greater than 5 means we will round up. That is what is the value now? 90. Rounded up. Rounded up. Understood what we will do in the first method? First we will check here, we will circle and we will see either it is of the which is the nearest value. Suppose if it is 90, we will round to near 90. Supposing here it is 98, we will round to 100. Okay. Now this is the second method where you will see the ones place and then you will compare it with 5 and then we will see if it is greater than 5, we will round up. If it is less than 5, supposing here it was 4. As 4 is less than 5, we will round to the left side. That is rounded down. Clear? Now let us see the same method. These two methods will follow, but mostly we will go with method number 2. This is quite easy. Okay. Rounding to nearest 100. Rounding nearest to 100. Now rounding nearest to 100 means I have taken a number 987. Okay. Now I want to round this number to nearest to hundreds. Now how to do? When we are doing for tens, we are considering which number? Ones place, ones digit. Whatever the digit is there in ones place, that we will consider when we are doing for tens, right? Like we have taken 87. Now when it comes to 100, we will consider tens place digit. What we will do? We will consider tens place digit. Now what is the digit here? Tens place 80. It is 80, right? 8. Now again 8 we will compare with 5. Now 8 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Greater than 5. So what is 87? Now what it will become? 87 means 987. Which value will change here? So as 8 is greater than 5, what we will do, we will round up. Rounded up. Okay. Rounded up means 987. We will change the value of here 9. So it will become 1000. Right? We have changed rounded to hundreds. We have changed the hundreds place. If you take 530, what we will do? We will say we will check the digit at tens place. It is 3. Now 3 is less than 5. Less than 5 is on the left side. So 530 means it will be rounded down. Rounded down. Rounded down to 500. Clear? So rounding off to 1000 means we will consider digit at tens place. Okay. Now let us see how to do for thousands. 1000. Now to do at 1000, see what they have given here in page number 104. Method 2. If the digit at 100 place is equal to or greater than 5, the number is rounded up. Okay. Fine. So 657 0. Now which digit you will consider? You will consider the digit 5. You will consider the digit 5. Okay. Now what we will do? We will compare 5. 5 is equal to 5. Now if it is greater or equal to, also we will round up. Rounded up. So how you round up? Now it will become 7000. Simply you see here on number line 6000, 6100, 6200, so 6300, 6400, so okay, 6500, 6600, 700, We are rounding to thousands, so the here value will thousands place value will change. So here as it is equal, now 6570 means in between these two, right? We have rounded up to 7,000 rounded up. Here let us see the exact definitions. Page number 103. Rounding off nearest to 100, method 2. If the digit at the tens place is equal to or greater than 5, the number is rounded up. If the digit at the tens place is less than 5, the number is rounded down. Just now we have seen that is 530, right? We will compare the digit, we will see the digit at tens place. If it is greater than or less than 5, now if this is less than 5, we will round down. If it is greater than 5, we will round it up. The same way, let us see what is here. The rounding off to nearest 1000. If the digit at the hundreds place is equal to or greater than 5, the number is rounded up. If the digit at 100 place is less than 5, the number is rounded down. So for the all the three, the main thing is we'll check the number. Okay, let us see here. Means at 87 means when it is 10 digit, rounding off to tens. When rounding off to tens means we will consider digit at ones place. When it is tens. Rounding off to 100 means we will consider the digit at tens place. Right? Means we are increasing. 100 means 10. Same way, then 1000, rounding off nearest to 1000 means we will do it. We will consider the digit at 100 place. See, first ones, tens, then hundreds. 10 means ones place, rounding off to 100 means tens place, rounding off to 1000 means hundreds place. Hope it is very clear. Now let us move to our exercise. Exercise 2.5. First way. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. So I request everyone to open their classworks and write down exercise 2.5. First bit. 8. See, it is 54. 54. Hope everyone has written, students. So now what we will do, let us write the digit once, 54. Now we are doing nearest to tens. Nearest to tens. So when we are doing nearest to tens, we will consider the digit at ones place. Now the digit at ones place is what? 4. Now what you will do? You will compare 4 with 5. Now 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So what we will do, as this is less than 5, we will do 54. Now you tell me 54 is rounded up or down? Less than means rounded down to 50. 54 is rounded to 50. See, from 50 to we have the scale till 60. Our 54 is somewhere here. So as 4 is less than 5, we have rounded down. Okay? This is what. How we will do? First we will write the digit. Okay? So this is ones and tens. We will compare the digit at ones place and write 4 is it, we will compare 4 is less than 5 or greater than 5. Now this is less than 5. So we have now rounded down to 50. Next one. 387. 387. Now, see, this is ones, tens, 100, right? We are doing nearest to tens only. So when we are doing nearest to tens, which digit we will consider? Digit at ones place. Now 7 we will compare with 5. Now 7 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Greater than 5. Greater than 5 is rounded up. Now 387 is rounded up. Up to what? Rounded up to equal to, now 87. 87 will, next is 390. We are only changing the digits at tens place. See here, it became 90. So the same way you do the next C, D, E and F. You just only need to change, consider the value of at digit ones place and you will compare and then you will round it up or down. Okay. Second. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 100. Now they gave us first one is 673. Now we have to do nearest to hundreds. Nearest to 100 means we will consider the digit at ones place. Sorry, tens place. 6, 7, 3. Digit at tens place is 7. We will compare it with 5. Now 7 is greater than 5. We will round up. So 673 is rounded up. Now what it will become? 673. We will change the value here. Right? So it becomes 700. But it becomes 700. Next is 5173. 5173. Here also they say the digit as 10 place is 7. It is 7. Now 7 is greater than 5. So 5173 is rounded up. Rounded up to 5200. After 173, we are changing the digit at 100 space, right? So 100 plus digit, see here it is become, here it is 1, it became 2. So I hope you have written. Let us move with the third bit. Now let us go with the third bit. Write complete heading of third bit in your classwork. Okay. Now round off the following numbers to the nearest thousands. See, the first one is 3923. Now we are doing nearest to thousands. When we are doing nearest to thousand, which digit we will consider? The digit at hundreds place, right? So let us write the given number 3923. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay. Now the digit at 100 place is 9. We will compare 9 with 5. Now 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. Now how we will do 9 is greater than 5 means it is rounded up. So 3923 is rounded up. Right? If you see, this value is in between 3000 to 4000. We said rounded up. So our value is somewhere here, right? 3923. So it has been rounded up. So the value is 4000. 4000. We will change the value of thousands, but we will consider the digit at 100 place. Okay. Now the last second one is 6456. 6456. Now again what we will do? We will write and we will write the given number. We will place the place values ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Again we are doing nearest to thousands, so we will consider the digit at 100 place 4. We will compare it with 5. Now 4 is less than 5. Less than 5 means it is rounded down. So 6456 is rounded down. Rounded down you have written, but to which value? What should be the figure? Now this value is lying between 6,000 to 7,000. Okay. Whenever you will take the scale, if it is tens, you will write from like 10 to 20. These are tens. 100 means 100, 200, 300. This is the scale for hundreds. 1000 means 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000 and so on. We will check at which place the number is lying and where it should be rounded. Either it is rounded up or rounded down. So you see this is rounded down. So 6456. Our value is somewhere here. Is it rounded down? Rounded down means on the left side. What is the value? That is 6,000. Right? The same way you try the other 4 problems. Hope it is very clear, students, how to round off units to 10, 100 and 1000. So this is the end of our session for today's. Thank you for watching.